pípé ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò wa fún tòní. Orúkọ tó mi padà Ọmọbọ̀rẹ̀wò Ayekooto náà ni èmi ń jẹ́. Bó tẹ́ ìgbà kọ́rẹ́ tí ó ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa lórí ètò wa fún tòní, máa fẹ́ kẹ́ lọ́wọ́ subscribe orí YouTube channel wa, bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni kẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àti ẹ̀rọ̀ṣẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ kẹ́lẹ̀ jẹ́ náà kọ́kọ́ tí ó máa ra àwọn ètò wa bí a bá ṣe mú wá fún yín ní ọlọ́kan ìjọ̀kan. Wọ́n gbàgbé láti share, láti like, láti fi comment yín ránṣẹ́ bí a bá ṣe máa ètò wa fún lónìí pinnu tá a tún mú wá fún yín ẹ̀rí pé yàrá ọ̀tọ̀ ọlọ́tọ̀ ló ń tó wọn tọ̀ lórí Ayekooto. Òótọ́ òun náà ni àwa ń sọ torí pé the truth must be told. Lónìí kí làwọn tá a mú wá fún yín, ẹ jẹ́ kájọ wá nǹkan fìdílé, kájọ lọ wo fídíò eléyìí tí a tún mú wá fún wa lọ́jọ́ tòní. Mo ń bọ̀, mi ò tí ì dé.
What should we do now? I'm talking to you as my children. If I were asked to make suggestions, I would say quietly to our government, move fast. Move diplomatically. Move wisely. Find a way to convince the President of America to please delay his actions for about 100 days. And then come home and tell our security chiefs get rid of these terrorists within 90 days or resign. Now that, I'm sure, will sound familiar to those of you who have been following situation in Nigeria. There was a president, unfortunately, he's dead now, that's Buhari, who issued such an order. Some of you will remember. Who called the service chief together and said, I give you 3 months. Get rid of all these Boko Haram people or resign. He's not around to tell you who gave him that advice. He ran with that advice, but he didn't follow it through. Because he gave the order as the commander-in-chief of the armed forces. But, and amid the security operatives moved fast. The 3 months went, and the work was not done. So I went to see him. It was in the news, so this time somehow the press got to know that I visited him. Of course, they were not there when we talked. And unfortunately, like I said, he's not alive now. Or else I would have asked you to go and ask him. Sir, why didn't you follow through? Because when 3 months passed and the work wasn't done, why didn't you proceed with your, are we going to call it threat? I won't tell you the details, but one thing came out of that meeting. Which would lead me to my next advice to our government. In case there's any of you who can get across to them. That when giving orders to the service chief this time round, we should make it clear to them that they are not only to eliminate the terrorists, they should eliminate their sponsors. No matter how influential they may be. And when I say my people, when I say our leaders should move fast, move diplomatically, they have to be and move wisely. They must take note of the fact that if America should attack us, China is not coming to defend us. Russia will not come to defend us. All the so-called world leaders, they will talk. They will condemn what America had done.